Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a financial one, as I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I have been keeping up with my bills this year. So it's really simple. Let me put a disclaimer. I am no financial advisor. This is just what works for me. And if you guys have seen any kind of part of my financial journey in my low income budget series, I'll have it linked below. I am a nanny. That is where my main source of income comes in, and everything else is just a bonus in life. So that is my main source of income, and with everything with the pandemic, it has been slighted a little bit as far as my hours, and with everything being shut down, me being home majority of this year. But thankfully, I have been able to get my finances back on track, which was a huge thing for me to do this year. All of my bills are current. Everything is up to date. I am not behind. I have bills back on auto pay that I haven't had on auto pay in what seems like forever. So I am just so blessed and thankful to be where I am financially. It's one of the biggest things that has taken a huge stress off of me this year. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, do I write this down all the time? No. Auto pay is a gift and a curse, because they'll send text messages occasionally or emails depending on how your service provider is set up. They'll let you know when it's coming out. And I just sometimes forget, like, oh snap. So this is why writing it down is important for me. And I also then keep a log in my phone as well. So this I'll just take a picture of and keep it in my phone so that I'm not caught too off guard. But whew, all right. And then another thing when it comes to like keeping up with this and consistency with it is, just as I check my planner for that particular week, I go and reference what bills I have. And then from there, I can add that into my weekly so that I can see what it is that is due, so that, again, I'm not caught off guard. So this is what I'm going to be using, and I'm actually going to be taping it right into my planner. This notebook, if you guys are new around here, this is actually a sketchbook from Michael's that I turned into my catch-all planner. The dolls, Gold Mine and Cocoa. The decal is from my shop, 15 Roses. If you guys would like more information on either, plus coupon codes, check the description box. So I'm going to be putting my bills on this page, taping it in. I love these list pads to just tape them right in. It adds more space within the planner when you have list pads and whatnot. So that's what's been working for me. This list pad is from Cloth and Paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark off my December bills. And I'm going to try to stay in order. I'm referencing an old one that I have here. And then a lot of the stuff I did go ahead and cancel out. And one of the biggest things for me was paying off my car this year. I'll talk more about it in my financial goals, because that was a huge thing for me, was to have my car paid off, got the title and everything. So happy about that. So over here where there's this little check mark, I'm going to go ahead and just put, I don't know if I want to put the date here or if I want to put paid, because I do have to create some little sections. So let me actually go ahead and rip this off. So I'm going to put the date here, because that's what makes sense for me. And then the bill, and then we'll come down. That is not straight. And then the amount, and then we'll do paid. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put a little line across. So first up is the 1st, then there's the 8th. I'm going through the dates first to make sure that this is what I have going on. the 9th. Ooh, is it the 9th? Wednesday is the 9th. I don't think Spotify is the 8th then. Because my Spotify came out yesterday. So I don't think Spotify is the 8th. We're going to change Spotify to the 6th. Because that's when it came out. So, again, me not writing things down and me forgetting. All right, so we got the 6th. All right, so accidental insurance. That is $7.53. And this is, I'm going to go ahead and put a star up here. And that is going to signal auto pay. So, that's been paid. Spotify is also on auto pay. And that is $10.65. And then, let's see. Next up, we have FiOS, which is the 9th. I'm so over FiOS. Over all of it. Okay, then we have T-Mobile. So for FiOS, I have a triple play. T-Mobile, I have 2 lines. T-Mobile's not that bad. And then my car note, I don't need to write that down, which is a blessing. I also took out some subscriptions that I had to some other things like Disney Plus and whatnot. All right, and then we have the 21st, which is Kohl's. And that's $50. And that I do need to get back on auto pay. And then the 28th, I have both my life insurance and my car insurance. My car insurance has gone up, and I actually don't know what the amount is going to be because I am adding another car onto it. So let me just see now. This is auto and this is auto. I will have to call Progressive and see what I have going on there. But yeah, my car insurance as of right now is automatic. Stay here. In history, it went up a little bit. It went up a lot of bit. So it is $152.84. Like I get rid of my car payment and then insurance is like, here you go, here's something else. And then on the 30th, I have Amazon Prime, and that's significantly lower because of the kind of insurance I have. All right. Then that is it for the bills, and anything else that comes out that I need to pay for, I'll go ahead and just put it down here because it would be me paying back something. But these are my monthly recurring. Oh, and then of course I got to put in rent. Who am I fooling? Rent, and then I do $600 a month to my grandmother, and then I did already pay $150 on, oh wait, I did this wrong. Oh no, that's fine, because the total amount is $600, but then I'm putting what I paid each week. So then this was on the what was Friday? Friday was the 4th, I believe it was the 4th. Yeah. So 12/4, and I usually do it every Friday, if not that following Monday. So that will leave me with, how much do I need to, after the 600 minus 150, that leaves me with $450. And then I'll put the next amount here the next time I pay it, and then I'll put the balance there. All right, so anything else, that's that. Then I have my income that I need to track. I need a sticky note. Duh, it's in here. Alright, so I'm just going to use this. And then for my income, I'm just going to put nanny over here. And my pay dates are 12/4. Let's take a look at the December calendar. 12/4. 12/11. 12/18, and then I don't know after that because it's a holiday week, so I don't know what my hours are going to be after the 18th. So for this particular week, it was just 300. I did not work much that week. I was on bed rest for majority of it. So I'm just going to put this here. And yeah. And then I'm thinking of potentially doing a savings challenge this week. And that's each day taking the last number of my account and transferring it into my savings. So thinking of doing that. So let me get another sticky note. And I'll do that at the end of each day. I'll be good on that. So savings, go ahead and pop this here. Savings, challenge, transfer, last digit to savings at end of each day. So we'll just do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then total this week. Oh, this is going to be for the week of, and this I'll actually end up moving to my weekly spread, but this is for the week of 12/7. All right, total this week. And then under here, I'll just put savings this month. Okay. That's what I mean about the sticky notes. Being able to move them around is so flexible. All right, then let me grab my tape. Tape in the bills. And I'm actually going to tape it on the side. I'm going to tape it on the side. Oh, I didn't add in any of my self-care this month, which is why me taping it on the side, I can then take another one and add in my personal expenses, because one thing's for sure is I'm getting my nails done this month, my eyebrows, which have been turned into every other month. Ridiculous. And then a pedicure, which I get pretty much every other month, because I haven't had one since, I haven't had a pedicure since October. Yeah, it was, no, I'm lying. When did I got my nails done in November. So technically it is once a month. So personal expenses, I'm going to go ahead and actually, I'm going to put this one. I'm actually going to cut it. I'm going to cut the top. This message one. Ooh, that was a little junky. Maybe the scissors. I can't cut straight, so maybe that's a no. All right. So, there we have it. And this is the layering that I love with this. So then personal expenses I know for sure are going to be my hair. I'm lying. That's a lie. My nails. My nails. My eyebrows. And then a pedicure. And actually, if I go anywhere over $100, which is what was given to me to get this done, which it shouldn't cost over that, but if I do, then that will be coming out of mine. And this will have the tip included for all of that. Okay, because I'm going to be getting them done at 2 different places. And then I guess I can track gas as well, but I really only fill up my tank once a week. So maybe these are the kind of things that I need to write down and see where I can cut back. And then I gotta add another one, y'all. I have to add one more, because if I'm being honest with myself, I'm so bad at eating takeout. It's horrible. I have a problem. I know. I needed to cut back. So I told y'all how much I spent in takeout this month alone so far. Ugh, it's ridiculous. It is freaking ridiculous. Alright, so takeout. So for the week of... And I usually just order through DoorDash. So for the week of 11/30, let's see how much I spent. And then this, I'll just go ahead and add in week of 12/7. Okay, so going to my DoorDash. I'm going to use this little scrap paper here to go ahead and tally all this up. So, being that I was home and I wasn't driving. Okay, so $27.80 and then $30.90. That is what I spent. That is what I spent. Okay. So, I just pretty much, because the other takeout I had, it was brought to me. I didn't pay for that. Plus $30.90, so that's $58.70, which, looking at this number, that's a lot of groceries right there. All right, so that is it. I'm going to be keeping up with my takeout, and then I might put some little tabs or something here. Ooh, I like how this easily peels up so I can resituate it. And then if I need to write on the back of this on my personal expenses and then continue my takeout, I can do that too, because they're smaller. So income, my savings challenge, a place to track my savings for the month, my bills for the month, my personal expenses, and my takeout. It's pretty much what I've been doing lately. So that is it. Pretty simple. And that is all. So I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Let me know how you're keeping up with your bills. Do I need to simplify my system even more? This is what works for me. It's what's been working for me for over a year. So that's that. Would love to chat with you in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I'll have my entire low income budget series. The next episode in this series, which is going to wrap it up for the year, is did I meet my financial goals of 2020? Y'all gonna be surprised, because I'm surprised at myself. So that's coming next. And of course, the links to my blog, Instagram, and shop as well. My blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. Check out my shop, 15 Roses. Feel free to use the code CTC for 30% off your purchase. And my social media to follow is @shop15roses. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.